Okay, one of the other problems in the possible problems in the pre-release code is that at the moment we can take in text from a user and display it, but we can't save that text to a file. So that's possibly going to be one of the other things that we have to do. So we're going to write some code that will save the text that somebody enters in as plain text to a file. So to do that, we need a new method, and this is going to be a void because it's not going to return anything. It's just going to do some actions. I'm going to call it save plain text to file. It's going to take in a string, plain text. So now we need to set up. Now we need to set up saving this to a file. So we need to call the AQA write text file 2013. Give it an identifier, so I'm going to call it write equals new AQA write text file 2013. Okay, so there it is set up. Now we need to open our file. So let's do open file, and I'm going to name the file plain text.txt, and I don't want it to append, I want it to overwrite whatever's in the file, so I'm going to put false. Now we need to write our data, so write dot, and we are going to write to text file, and that means handily notices that I've got a parameter, so it puts it in there, but plain text is the variable I'm going to write. Then I need to close the file. Okay, so there's the code that will write the file. We now need to add an option for that code. So case C. Remember, because these are chars, they need to go in single quotes. So case C, we need to save text to file method that we've just written, and we need to pass it the variable plain text, which is all lowercase. Break. Oh, what did I call it? Save plain text to file. Okay, and now we need to, if this option is selected, sorry, we need to add that option to the list as well, so it displays when the user runs. So console.println, do it in the same format as the others. C dot save plain text. Okay, so if we run this now, we see our new option has been added, save plain text. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to give it some text. Hello. I now want to save the plain text, so C. Okay, so that looks like it's worked. So let's go check. If I go to my files, and go to where my code is, I can see that I have a plain text.txt file, and when I open it, it says hello. Brilliant. This same method can then be used for saving encrypted text. All you would do is you would add an option in, write code to do that, or it might be that you just want to say save, rather than having a method for save plain text to file and saving text to file, you could, saving plain text and saving encrypted text, we could just have save text to file and take in two parameters, two arguments, string file name, and rather than writing to the same one every time, depends what we pass it, depends what the file it writes to. So if I use this option, let's add the option for saving encrypted text. So it's cipher text, they've called it. And up the top, my new method is called save text to file, and I'm going to pass it the text I want to save, and the file name in this case is going to be plain text.text. And then here, let's actually just copy and paste that. Wrong place. There we go. Option F, save text to file. I want to save the cipher text, and I'm going to save it to a file called cipher text. This way I've been able to use the same method twice, and it'll do both of the things that I wanted to do. Okay, have a go, have fun.